Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here with businesswithtrading.com, doing an Emini Trading Room recap for the 3rd of November, Monday, and today was a pretty good start for November. We had a little gap up here and the market just chopped very erratically and pretty much moved a little bit higher to choppiness in the latter part of the morning. We took one trade today, ended up pulling 2.5 points out of the market. Very small range. As you can see, the maximum profit potential was actually a little bit less. We took a long down here and we rode it pretty much right here. You know, the market did come up a little bit more and then it rolled over and chopped around, and it just was not really giving the best movement. You know, over here it was looking good for a long. We probably missed an entry there, but you know, it is what it is. 2.5 points, not too bad. You know, at least we started the month out positive, and that's really the main goal. You know, as long as we can, as long as we can be consistently profitable, I'm happy. You know, that's the main goal of the site. That's my main goal as a trader, is to be consistently profitable. You know, and some days are, really horrible. Sometimes you just get beat up and, you might end the day with a point. I've had a lot of days like that in my career where you just get beat up, you make some money, lose some money, make some, lose some, and then you end up with like a little over a point to the plus side. So you get a point plus, it pays your commission or something like that. You know, those days are probably the most difficult days I've ever had as a trader. You know, they're even worse than just taking a couple stop outs and then ending the day, or making a couple trades and ending the day positive. You know, those days where you're up, you're down, you're up, you're down. You know, those days definitely, push on your psyche a little bit more. And the reason I wanted to talk about it is just because this market was very choppy, and I do, suspect that there were a few people out there, not necessarily those that are watching this video, but I know some that are out there that really did get chopped up on a day like this. I know a lot of traders, some traders that I'm actually coaching, other traders that I know I just don't have a coaching relationship with. We're just friends, and some of them are new traders. So I know that group, there were some people in there that got chopped up. And it's not a good thing, but it is what it is. It's part of trading. That's why trading, it's a great business to be in, but the overall level of the people that make it to the professional ranks is very, very slim. And that's why I always relate it to, high stakes, like becoming an NFL football player. And from high school to becoming an NFL superstar, it's less than 2%. It's not very high. And trading is very, very similar to that. Once you get in the professional ranks, yeah, you do make a lot of money. And trading, you kind of dictate how much money you make, whereas in the NFL, I guess you kind of dictate what you make to an extent, but it's to an extent. So in trading, you can make as much as you can fathom, in any professional sports, football, basketball, soccer, whatever have you, you're going to have a limit over your head. And that's one thing that why trading is such a great business to be in. But the overall journey to get from amateur to professional is definitely a difficult one. And that's why I work with some people one-on-one, just because it shortens that learning curve, and they learn from the mistakes that I made a long time ago. I still make mistakes from time to time. I'm definitely not a perfect trader. There's no such thing as a perfect trader. There's no such thing, like once you become a professional trader, that you're not going to have any losing trades. Your losing trades are going to be a lot fewer, but they're still going to come. It's just part of trading. It's something that happens, and I wanted to talk about that a little bit. So hopefully it made sense to you. It resonated. Maybe a couple points you liked. You can always leave comments below the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.